Hey peeps, so today I'm here with a new quick and easy hair tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to transform your hair into this fun curly do in only 10 minutes. Alright, so the first thing to do is section off some hair at the front. I'm starting by making a side part about 1.5 inches deep and then bringing it over to the other side. Should look like that. So I'm going to pin that away for now. And then with the rest of the hair, you just want to make sure it's pretty flat. So I'm parting it in half right down the middle, and I'm going to make 2 low ponytails. Once that is done, just twist the hair and pin it up. Now back to the front, I'm taking some of this gel and I'm going to apply that to my edges, except for the area where I left that section of hair out. I'm going to get to that in a minute, but I'm brushing that in to get the edges sleek and flat. Then to secure and protect the back of my hair, I'm putting on a stocking cap. So now we're looking like this. Now for the curly part, I'm using this wig I picked up really inexpensively from my local beauty supply store. I decided to get it in this black blue color just to add a little pizzazz. I thought it would be a nice change. So it comes with 2 combs on the side and 1 in the back. And I'm going to use those combs to attach it to my head. So I'm bringing the front of the wig right up to meet where that section of leave out starts. And we're left with this to work with. So I'm splitting this section in 2 by making a slightly diagonal side part. And working on 1/2 at a time, I'm going to twist the hair. So I'm adding some gel all around the perimeter, brush with my hair toothbrush. Then to get the hair to lay flat, I'm starting out making a flat twist until it starts to lift from the scalp, then 2-strand twist all the way down. Once it's twisted, I'm going to use these gold hair cuffs right here and dress it up a little bit. So on this twist, I'm using 3 cuffs. Then grab some of the wig hair at the top, bring the twist around and pin it underneath that hair so the curls hide the end of the twist. And pretty much do the same on the other side. So add some gel, brush it in, twist the hair. Add the cuffs. On this one, I'm just using 2 of them. And pin it back. After that, I'm going back in with a tiny bit more gel and my hair toothbrush to clean up my edges and just smooth everything out in the front. Now the only thing left to do is fluff and shape the curls, and we're all done. So there you have it, a super easy, bold, cuffed, curly style that only takes a few minutes to achieve, and then you are out the door. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching as always, and I'll catch you guys very soon on my next one. Bye!